Ingeteam Power Technology. Power Grid Automation. Tutorials. Topic: Project Management. In this video, we will learn how to manage the several projects and installations in the Energy Factory Suite platform. For this purpose, we must first open Pack Factory and click on the Project Factory button. On the top side of the Project Factory window, 3 tabs shall be found. The second tab lets the user configure the generation of backups for the active project. This functionality can be started and stopped, set for a periodical execution, and finally, limited to a fixed amount of backup files. On the bottom side of the Self-Backup tab, 6 buttons shall be found: Restoring a backup, Generating a backup on demand, Refreshing the backup list shown above, Deleting a backup, Deleting all backups, and, lastly, accessing the folder containing all the backups. The first tab, Project List, lets the user generate backup files from the activated project. As it can be seen, the Export button downloads the IT Pro installation file and saves it in the selected path. Both automatically generated and downloaded backups can be imported to Pack Factory. Finally, we now know how to manage the project files and backups of an Energy Factory Suite installation.
Ingeteam, electrifying a sustainable future.